If you are in a media or publishing industry, then you definitely understand that the landscape is changing significantly for you right now. We see a clear paradox here as the global appetite for content is at an all-time high, while the content production side of the industry as a whole has slowed down dramatically. Welcome to the second episode of the Big Bang Data series. I'm Jala Sanar, digital advisor from MediaAgility, and today I'll talk around some of the biggest challenges that the content production teams are facing right now and a couple of the recommendations that can help to solve them. So as a media or publishing company, content is your most valuable asset, and creating new content is expensive. So your existing content is likely underutilized because you might have limited visibility into what's out there and what can be reused. So traditional methods for content management and operations have been highly manual, and they are no longer scalable with the immense volume of content that is being produced today. So what if you could fundamentally change the way you manage your new and existing content? As a digital consultancy and partner, we have managed to work with media companies across the globe, and they're all challenged with meeting audiences' demand for more engaging content, and they need to meet this demand in a cost-effective and scalable way. To maximize the return on investment of your media libraries, it is highly recommended that you look for new ways to leverage your existing content. Here are 2 recommendations to optimize your media workflows. So the core of content management is being able to understand your already existing content. Imagine if all of your media pieces were tagged with metadata regarding actors, genres, plots, locations, languages, themes, and so on. This would open up huge opportunities to discover and reuse content. Let me give you an example here. So during the holiday season, you might want to recommend specific themes or movies to your audience. Here, for instance, you could search in your media library for all the Christmas movie so that you can play that during the holiday season. Or you might want to search for all the Dwayne Johnson movies so that you can recommend that for all your wrestling fans. And the possibilities here are endless. So media companies around the world are leveraging natural language processing, computer vision, speech transcription, and other deep learning techniques to generate more metadata for their existing content. And this works for all forms of content, from video to audio to text and image. So whether you are a TV channel, a radio station, a newspaper, or a magazine publisher, you should be generating metadata for all your existing content so that you can get the maximum return on your media investments. Our second recommendation here is around fulfilling audiences' demand for more engaging content while enhancing their end-to-end user experiences. Being able to understand and measure how your audience is engaging with your content is key to understand your audience preferences in terms of what they like and don't like. One way to measure audience engagement is to look for users' first-party data along with the features, as well as tapping into social media signals for more insights. This enables an overall understanding of your audience and the creation of user personas that can be targeted with personalized content. So by building a data platform for your content operations that enables data integrations, dashboarding, and reporting, as well as advanced machine learning analytics, you can measure and optimize your audience engagements accordingly. Automating and optimizing these media workflows can result in immediate opportunities for you to thrive in the media business. Now, audiences and stories are the core building blocks of any media business. And through data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning capabilities, M&E companies can fulfill audiences' demand for more content while significantly enhancing their end-to-end user experiences. Thanks for listening today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next 2 episodes, where I will be talking you through some proof points of how these 2 recommendations have worked for others in your industry. So tune in for that and see you then.